Microsoft Outlook is just not an email inbox, it's a productive machine if you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you 5 features that will completely change your email workflow. Number 1, it will slash your time. Number 2, you'll learn how to automate your inbox. And number 3, it will make you the most productive person in your office. If you're ready to cut the noise and take back control of your day, let's go. So the first step is quick steps. It's basically one-click automation. So when you click on any email, you can go to quick step from the drop down and you can select any one of them, or you can basically build your own custom quick step. So if I click on custom and then select choose action, you will see all these different kind of actions such as respond, forward, reply, reply all, categorizing emails or task, changing the status, or moving to a folder. So let me create a new custom action. So I'll create move to folder and I'll select frame.io as my name. So any emails I get from frame.io, I want to make sure that all the emails are quickly moved to that folder. And then I'll select choose folder. I'll select frame.io. So this is one action. You can add multiple actions if you want. You can click as mark as read. You can click as, mark as unread or importance. You can customize. You can add multiple actions, maybe 5, 6, depending on your use case. So I'll remove this step or this action and I'll click on finish. And this new quick step will appear over here. So these are the different emails that I want to move. So I can just, instead of dragging this directly into my folder, I can just click on this button and automatically it's added to that folder. So this is, the power of quick steps. The second tip is rules. Rules are especially helpful when you want to move files from a certain folder. So for quick steps, you had to click on that button. For rules, you can automatically tell Outlook to complete that task, such as moving emails from one folder, from your inbox to another folder. So let's say I get a bunch of these notifications from frame.io. So I can create a rule. So you can go to your home, then click on rules. If you have already created different rules, you can select manage rules or alerts. And I can select from frame.io. Either I can select the sender or the subject. You can also send this email to someone if you need to. Send it to yourself. So I'll just select subject contains office text skill. And from frame.io, I can move it to a folder. So I'll select the folder. I'll select frame.io. Click OK. You can click on this. It will generate a sound when that rule is executed or when the email comes through. So I can change the subject to file uploaded. Click OK. And now the rule has been created. So you can apply this rule to all the emails. If I click on OK, it will start implementing this rule starting now onwards. If I click on the check mark, it will also implement for all the emails that have already came through my inbox. But I'll just simply click on OK because I want this rule to apply for all the new emails. So I'll click OK. And now we can test this. So this was one of the emails. So I can click on forward. Yes. And I'll just send it to myself. And I'll click on send. And I should see the email over here. You see, I see the email. The rule has executed. It has automatically moved that email to that folder instead of inbox. So rules are extremely helpful. Does your inbox feel like chaos? Are you spending hours searching for key emails, missing meetings due to scheduling it, and feeling overwhelmed every time you open Outlook? After only 1 hour and 15 minutes, you will have all the skill set that will save you hours every week. This course is designed for everyone with bite-sized lessons that fit into your busy day. Every minute you delay is time lost. Click enroll now and transform your Outlook, turning chaos into organized success. Next is quick parts. If you write the same email over and over again, let's say if you're sending out reports every day and you have to write the same email, this is where quick parts can be helpful. So I've drafted an email. So this is an email that, just for example's sake, this is an email that I have to type in every day. What I can do is basically I can select, you can write your text and then go to insert and then click on quick parts. And then you can add save selection to quick part gallery. And you can call this John. And I can click on OK. And now when I want to send a new email, I'll click on new email and then click on insert, click on quick parts. And then I can just simply select this and your text is automatically populated. So this is a very powerful feature where you don't have to retype the same email over and over again. You can make multiple email templates depending on your task. The fourth tip is delayed delivery. So for example, if you want email on your draft and you want to send it at a certain time, this feature within Outlook is extremely helpful. You can exactly time at what time the email should be sent. So you can basically click on options. So let's say I want this email to be sent at a certain time. I can click on options. I can click on delay delivery. You can put in your subject and the person who the email should go to. And then you can schedule what time the email should go. So let's say if I want this email to go at tomorrow morning, I can just select date and then select the time, such as 6 a.m. and then click on close. You can add the contact here. And now this email will automatically be delivered at that time at 6 a.m. tomorrow morning. The next step is turning off email notifications. Sometimes it's extremely annoying where you get a bunch of emails. You see notifications on your desktop while you're working. So this will help you to not get distracted. You can easily do this by going to click this in email, go to file, then go to options, go to mail, and then just simply click on, you can turn off this play a sound, you can deselect this two options, and then you can just simply click on OK. So now if I click on OK, and now if I send an email to myself, let's say I want to send this email to myself, and I will not see any notification because I've turned it off. So here's the email. I did not receive any notification or the sound. So it's extremely helpful when you're doing some deep work or focus work and you don't want to be bothered. So these are 5 powerful tips. And if you want to learn Outlook more in detail, I have a complete course. The link is in the description below. These are only one part of the course. I teach a lot of other features from start to end where you will become an expert just within 1 hour and 15 minutes. So please check out the course. The link is in the description below.